Apple Incorporation's assembly partner Pegatron Corporation is gearing up to set its first production plant in India. It is now setting up a local subsidiary and joining fellow Taiwanese electronics assemblers Foxconn and Wistron, who have already been making iPhone handsets in southern India. Fashion e-commerce player Myntra has laid out guidelines on safety to be followed at every touchpoint in the supply chain. From warehouse to customer's doorstep, the company is undertaking a holistic approach to safety in the current pandemic situation. As a nationwide lockdown snapped the supply chain and delivery channels, Licious meat delivery firm resorted to airlifting meat products. The lockdown has given momentum to the online food and meat delivery industry. Zap Fresh and Fresh to Home have also witnessed an increase in demand. Business, a B2B startup that connects manufacturers and retailers in the fashion category and offers logistics solutions, have raised $10 million in funding led by Matrix Partners India and Secure Capital India, along with existing investors InfoEdge and Waterbridge Ventures. JD Logistics has introduced the very first automated storage and retrieval system, ASRS, for storage and picking of bulky items including furniture and home appliances. JD Logistics Park, located in Langfang, is one of Asia's 3 new highly automated parks. Sender, a German digital freight forwarder, has announced a joint venture with Post Italiane, Italy's largest logistics operator. This joint venture will focus on improving long-haul road transportation efficiency, provide full GPS visibility of trucks, and reduce CO emissions through the utilization of vehicles with alternative fuels. Samsung may displace Vivo and regain its number 2 position. The anti-China sentiment in India, unavailability of fresh stocks of Chinese smartphones, and disturbance in the supply chain, as well as stalled manufacturing of Chinese brands, will prove to be beneficial for this Korean brand. Buma Group, an international leader in intralogistics, has introduced its new BG Sorter CB compact sortation system, which increases efficiency in warehouse operations as well as in courier, express and parcel companies. Hermes, UK's delivery giant, has decided to create 10,500 jobs after observing a surge in demand from people shopping from home during the lockdown. This will include 1,500 full-time roles across its delivery network and head office and 9,000 freelance couriers. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, comment and share. And for more such videos, follow us on LinkedIn, Instagram, YouTube, Facebook and Twitter.